What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Matiko, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Oh, it's raining here. Oh wow, what a surprise. I'm walking home and you can see people are training football. As I always tell you that this is a training place for this team. Can you see? Right? Can you see there? They're training, man. And that's why I'm always telling you that Spain is good at football because of this. Very early in the morning, it has been raining. It's a sad day and a good day for those who love rain. So please consider to like the video, comment, share, for you to support this amazing channel. So please, if you're new here, do that for me, because you are the people who support this channel. So I'm gonna show you around. I'll be passing by a small estate to show you how beautiful the place is. So please stay with me, watch the video until the end. Keep on sharing, and keep on subscribing to my content. Oof, it has been raining since morning. It's a rainy day. So those people there, they are training. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. I don't know if, yeah. They are training. Yeah, there, right there. This is Team Alcorcon, and that's why they are always winners. Good than Real Madrid and Barcelona. Anyway, that was a joke, but I know that they are very nice players. Here, I'm gonna put on my mask because I have people coming from the front. So let's go, guys, let's go. Let me show you around. You get to enjoy this amazing content from Chef Matiko. Oh no, it's raining. All right, just the people are passing. Look at this field, so clean, right? Look at it. Just one of the fields where they train football, and now we are heading to that small estate that it seems to be very expensive. The houses seems to be very expensive compared to others in this area. So stay here, watch the video until the end. Please consider subscribing. I don't know this corona. I want this to end. The mask. Again. So anyways, guys, this is the estate. You know, look at it, so beautiful. I like the architect and how this place is organized, the roads, you know. Look at the path. My shoes are wet because of the rain today. It was a crazy day. So I'm gonna cross to that end so that I pass in the pass there, so that you get to see how beautiful this place is. This is another field. The same. They are for training, you know. Look at them. They're so good. The trees are beautiful. I don't know. Can you see? Wow. So I'm walking towards that direction, and the trees are so beautiful here. Oh my God, the dustbin to keep the dirt. You can see the dustbins. So this is where they keep their dirt. So I'll be crossing in a few minutes. So just stay here, because this video today is the important part is this one, right? This is the important part, and I'm gonna cross, then I'll show you around, then I'll show you one of the schools over there. Right, so I'm going to cross. It's not a place to cross, but I'll go so quickly. Alright, just crossed, man. You can't see all this area. You can't see this area, so beautiful. So people are stay here. The homes, they seem to be expensive than other places. So you can see, I think, the security, the flowers. Look at the flowers. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. The security flowers, the place. I think you can tell. Roughly, I cannot guess. I cannot guess. Cannot guess how much could be the rent, but it seems to be very expensive. Wow. Can you see from the back? From the back, I think I'm gonna take my umbrella so that you get to see from the back how the lanes are organized. How look at the gates. So generally, this place is a very beautiful place. I don't want to be rained on. So you get to see the parkings and everything. You can see from the back, you know. So this area is one of the expensive areas just here in this place. This is Alcorcon, and this is Calle Lo, no, Lo or Ro, it's Ro, Calle Ros, no, Calle Los, it's Calle Los, Calle Los Robles. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please continue watching until the end. I hope that I'm at the right place, right track, because I'm gonna show you one of the schools, kindergarten, so that you get to see. Oh, this place looks so beautiful, and of course it's so amazing. Another thing is that I realized that here they pay. You can buy a house, but you paid for even 20 years, for even 20 years or more. It's not like Africa, where you must have the complete cash for you to build a house. I know there are loans, but here it's different. It's kind of different. I'm crossing. This place looks amazing, even from the end. You can see how it's organized, everything. So thank you for those who are coming in to support me. I appreciate that. Please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Chef Matiko. Look at the fence. African fence. Wow. If you're in Africa, you know what I'm talking about, because in the villages it depends with what people want, but I understand that it's green, all green. You can imagine how. Look at the area. This is the area, so beautiful. You can imagine how the homes, they're organized, the parkings and everything, guys. And that, the white, huh? The white part, Colegio Bilingua. It means it's a school, because it's a kindergarten, but they teach in English and Spanish. It's a bilingual. Yeah, that is the school. I don't know if the government will allow me to do a tutorial to show the area. So this is the area. All that is one area that I've been showing you. So beautiful, so amazing. Can you see? You can see there. Super cool. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna show you where they come to train. Basketball. If you are a fan of basketball, wow, cannot miss to see this. Look at the fence. Wow. Just comment down below, what do you think about it? What do you think about the fence? Is it beautiful? I'm sure that people will say, yeah, it's beautiful, but comment down below to see what you think about it. And this is one small field, but it's fenced. Fenced where they come to train basketball, just for training, because they have other places to, to go for competition and matches, something like that. So this area is super good, super beautiful, quiet. It has been raining all the day, so this is the field, this one over there. And where I'm walking, actually I'm not supposed to walk here. Here, let me turn the camera. Here, so here is the area where bicycles and patinetos, scooter pass, because I understand we are supposed to walk here in this lane over here, this one. Yeah. So anyways, that is not important. The important thing is that I've just shown you the field. I'm going closer, you know, so that you get to see. Wow. If you're a basketball player, what do you think about this field? I have so many friends that are basketball players. What do you think about it? Just for training. How will you feel to train here? Wow. So beautiful. I think I'll make a tutorial on when they are playing, when they are training, so that you get to see, man. So thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you next time. Look at the benches. They're so good, where you can rest while watching them train. So it's so good, so nice to be here. So that was the area that I showed you. You can see. Can you rate the place? How much do you think it's rent, or how much do you think they bought the houses? So those are the houses. Sorry, something entered my ears. Look at the beautiful trees, man. Look at this beautiful trees, and it's raining. You know, I love this weather. I love this weather because it's not sunny, you know, just quiet. Everything goes on so well. Another thing is that every area has a place to sit, just to relax. That's one of the best things here. Just to relax, because I stay around there, that area, and the place I was showing you is that area. Look at it, so beautiful. These are the benches where you can sit. Can you see them? These ones over here, you know, they are so beautiful. They look so nice. Look at the flowers, and people are working now. That's why, and it's raining. That's why all this area, all of it, you cannot see anybody. You cannot just look around. Nobody's there. Nobody, because a lot of people now are working. And it's raining, the second thing. So people are always training, others are working. So now nobody's here because of the weather and the work. Others are working from home because of the pandemic. You know, such things make this place look as it is now. Oh, just look around. I'm not using the front gate, I'm using the backyard, the back entrance. So this is my area generally, but that one is not my area because it's very expensive. So, and this, let me turn around. So this is my area where I live, and many more videos are coming. So please consider subscribing to my channel for you to get to see amazing places. I'll be doing street videos, street questions, a lot. I have a lot of projects in mind. So keep on supporting me. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for you to get amazing content. We are at 1.7. So keep on watching, guys, for you to support this. Look at this bus. Actually, this bus is it's like a matatu there in Kenya. So matatus there. We have matatus in Kenya, and we also have buses. So these are buses for short routes here. Maybe from here to the center of Madrid, 15 minutes. You get it. Depending on you know, everything. So this is a small park over there. So I've been shooting videos of parks. So I don't want to bother you more. So I've just arrived to my home. This is where I stay. Okay. This is where I stay here in Madrid. So it's just quiet here. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. So see you next time, my people. I love you so much. so I get to post another video coming soon. So thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time. Adios, bye bye. I love you so much. Thank you.